Hello everyone, welcome back to Jewelstep. Today we'll walk through how to create a sale order for a customer and outsource the manufacturing process to a supplier, all within the Jewelsteps platform. Let's dive straight into the process. We start by creating the sale order. First, go to the sale order section. Select the customer name as Lalit Bokde. Assign the salesperson for this order. Next, we'll add the product details. The item is an 18-karat gold ring. Approximate weight is 15.333 grams. Let's add a quick comment. Ring should be the same as the picture. Now, upload an image of the ring for reference. If the customer is paying an advance amount, you can record it here. For example, Lalit is paying 1,500 in cash. Once saved, the order appears under the sale order process, showing status not initiated. Now, let's assign this order to a supplier by creating a job work order. Click on Create Job Work Order. Select the supplier name, Kunal Jewelers. Set the priority to low. Add the due date as the 25th. The job work order is now created and linked to the supplier, Kunal Jewelers. To ensure smooth communication, we've created a supplier account for Kunal Jewelers. The username is Kunal. The password is provided by the store owner. Let's log into the supplier portal. Kunal can view all the assigned orders under Job Work Orders. If logged in via the mobile app, they'll receive real-time notifications and updates. When the supplier starts processing the order, they can update the status. For example, the final weight after completion is 14.20 grams. The making charge is $10 per gram, totaling $153. Once the work is completed, Kunal can mark the order as completed in the system. Now we can receive the completed order back into our system. When we check the sale order process, the status updates to completed. The final step is to create an invoice for the customer. Select the completed order and click New Invoice. Add the gold rate as 240 dirhams and adjust the making charges to $15 per gram. The total cost is calculated at 3,910.37, including the advance payment of 1,500 dirhams. Once saved, the invoice reflects the balance amount of 2,801 dirhams. When we return to the sale order process, the status now shows Invoice Created. This means the order is ready for customer delivery. And that's it. From creating a sale order to managing an outsourced manufacturing process, Jewelsteps simplifies everything with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.